Hi, welcome back to Nana T. Today we're going to crochet a half double crochet. The abbreviation for this is HDC. So I started out, I already did my chain of 20 as the pattern is calling for, or pretend pattern. And with the half double crochet, you want to chain an extra 2 at the end. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. 1, 2. So there's 22 chains. This time you start off by yarning over. 1, 2, 3. You go in here. Yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. That's your first half double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. So keep doing that and I will meet you at the end. Now we're down to our last 2 stitches, so we'll do them together. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now our last stitch. So now we should have 20 stitches, so we'll count that just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. So for your next row, you're going to turn your work and chain 2. 1, 2. You're going to go into this first stitch, yarn over, and again, you have the V's up at the top, so you want to make sure that you go through both loops. Yarn over, go through, you have both hoops from the V on your hook, yarn over, pull through, and go through all 3 loops. Go into the next stitch, yarn over, go through, both strands of the V are on the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. So keep going and I'll meet you at the end. So here we are at the end, and now we're just going to finish off. Take your scissors, cut the yarn, yarn over, pull through, pull the yarn all the way through, and pull. So that is your half double crochet. That's what it looks like. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.